Hi everyone, I am Manish from indushindi.com, and in this video we are going to talk about Hindi interrogatives. So let's begin. All interrogatives in Hindi start with ka sound. Hindi has two types of interrogatives. One is information questions and another one is yes no questions. We will discuss both of them. So, first of all, we are going to talk about information questions. We have first three interrogative words are kahan, which is where, कब, when, क्यों, why. कहाँ, कब, क्यों. Let's see an example. So you can say आप कहाँ हैं. आप कहाँ हैं. Where are you? In this sentence, you can see you have to remember the word order, and you should keep in mind like interrogative word kahan is coming just before the verb, and in this case before the to be verb. And the next pair of interrogatives are kaisa, how, kitna, how much, and how many, kaun sa, which. These three, like kaisa, kitna, and kaun sa, behave like variable adjectives. It means they change according to number and gender. Where kaisa is a masculine singular, kaise is masculine plural, and kaisi feminine singular and plural. Next question word is kitna, how much or how many. Kitna is a masculine singular, and the masculine plural form of kitna is kitne, and the feminine singular and plural is kitni. And the next question word is kaun sa, which, kaun sa. The main form is a masculine singular like kaun sa, and the masculine plural is kaun se, and the feminine singular and plural form is kaun si, which means which. And the example is tum kaise ho, how are you. Tum kaise ho, how are you. So I hope this thing is clear and you understand about interrogatives, about questions in Hindi, how to make a question. See you in the next video. Goodbye.